Okay, so we had to back up. We got her together and the crank was binding up. And what we have found out is the bottom bearing is shot and was binding up the crank. It sounded like it wanted to run, but then the crank would bind up and it would come to a stop. So now, looks like we're going to do a bottom end before we put it on the LTR. So we're backing up. But we have our mounts on so the engine should go back on easy. And yeah, as soon as the crank comes, we'll get this thing rebuilt, put her back together, and she'll be ready to go.